Mastering Crypto Arbitrage, a comprehensive guide for traders. Crypto arbitrage is a trading strategy that has gained significant traction in the volatile cryptocurrency market. It involves exploiting price differences of the same asset across various exchanges, with the objective of buying the asset at a lower price on one exchange and simultaneously selling it at a higher price on another, locking in profits from the temporary price discrepancy. This strategy is not only legal but also encouraged as it contributes to market efficiency. On average, arbitrage opportunities yield profits ranging from 0.6% to 2.5%, making it an attractive option for traders seeking to capitalize on market inefficiencies. However, it's essential to consider the risks associated with arbitrage, including market volatility, execution risks, and the need for swift transactions. To identify and seize arbitrage opportunities effectively, traders should begin by conducting thorough research on different cryptocurrency exchanges. They should understand their trading volumes, liquidity, fees, and supported currencies. Popular exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken are often a good starting point due to their large user bases and extensive trading. Traders should keep a list of exchanges that interest them and track price discrepancies across exchanges, considering market depth and liquidity, evaluating transaction speed and fees, and maintaining an understanding of regulatory and security factors. Crypto arbitrage trading is relatively straightforward, and the only thing that matters is catching crypto arbitrage opportunities and acting on them quickly. Because cryptocurrency rates and prices fluctuate every second, a price drop or rise is always possible. So, the most crucial aspect of conducting cryptocurrency arbitrage is being alert and quick. The key to crypto arbitrage lies in spotting these price differences across exchanges. Traders meticulously monitor various platforms, looking for instances where a digital asset shows a significant price variation. In conclusion, mastering crypto arbitrage requires a combination of market understanding, strategic planning, and swift execution. By grasping the fundamentals, understanding the legal landscape, and implementing practical tips, traders can navigate the world of crypto arbitrage with confidence. Despite the inherent risks, its potential for profitability is significant. So, equip yourself, explore, and, most importantly, happy trading.